In Fish, a popular online game set in a world where fish and sea creatures are key elements, there are several effective ways to earn money, also known as gems or coins. One of the best methods is by fishing itself. By casting your line in various fishing spots around the game world, you can catch valuable fish, which can be sold for a good profit. Some species are rarer than others, so it's wise to focus on those for a higher payout. Another profitable approach is completing in-game quests. These quests often require you to catch specific types of fish or perform tasks related to fishing, such as upgrading your equipment or exploring new areas. Completing these quests rewards you with both experience and in-game currency. Additionally, engaging in crafting can provide other sources of income. So by gathering resources like wood or stone, you can craft items that are in demand, such as fishing gear or decorative pieces, which you can sell to other players or NPCs.